Welcome to Sugar Mama's Sacred Sounds. During this sound journey, we aim to transform ourselves into a higher frequency, leaving behind our lower octave that is no longer providing our soul with the nutrients needed to rebuild and restore our body and mind. Before we begin, find your comfortable position. Remove any hearing aids, test your earbuds, or place your device slightly above your head. The volume should be loud but not hurt or be uncomfortable. Slide your eye mask down over your eyes and curl up under a comfy blanket. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly out of your mouth. When breathing in, think of releasing the gossip around you. When you exhale the energy that could not thrive or adapt to your resilience. We will start by 3 loud chimes to align our chakras to the Gemini full moon. Each chime you hear, take a deep breath in and slowly release. During a full moon, we are to release what no longer has served us. The moon represents our emotions, our intuition, our subconscious mind. Gemini represents our communication. It is about learning and discovering. Gemini is our conscious mind, our intellect. What is your intention of release surrounding this Gemini full moon? Are you wanting to release the stagnant mindset? Do you want to release the learned habits and instincts that no longer serve you? Are you striving for resilience and change? As we start our quest of releasing what no longer serves us, there may be a spontaneous discovery that could happen suddenly, as this is energy of air and fire. With the moon in Gemini, the sun is in Sagittarius, which allows us to be open-minded and optimistic. If you are seeking your truth, you may find your life's purpose based upon your humility and intuition. Set this journey with meaning and intention and step out of your comfort zone. The world is your oyster. as the sounds begin to increase your frequency and you start to align to your resilient self. You may feel your muscles twitching, or you may have an emotional response. All are acceptable. All are releasing stagnant energy that is no longer needed. Breathe through these responses. As you feel vibrations moving through your body, breathe in freedom-loving energy to your mind, body, and soul. Exhale, exhaling the instincts and habits that no longer serve you. As clarity rises, allow caring, nurturing thoughts to fill your mind. By allowing this energy to rise, it allows the shallow energy to be released so you can thrive in this difficult world. This is needed to continue on your journey of being resourceful with quick recovery and adaptability. be okay. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. As your energies align to your intuition and to your life's meaning and purpose, this raises the body's vibrations to help you achieve what you set out to conquer. When you feel yourself falling back into a lower octave during this full moon, remember these sounds to help raise your frequency. the sounds fade, feel a sense of openness and peace replacing the weight of the past. You are free to move forward, free to embrace the present moment. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. These next 3 chimes will keep your chakras aligned for the journey ahead. As the chimes fade, start to wiggle your fingers and toes. We have transformed our energy to help us move forward with calmness and ease. When you are ready, open your eyes, feeling lighter, resilient, and open to change. See you next time.